Well, hello there, and look what I just took out of my oven, peach cobbler. So hang out with me today in my kitchen so I can show you just how to make it. So I've got all my ingredients to make the peach cobbler here on my counter, and as you can see, there is not that many. This is a super easy and delicious recipe that I've been using for years. The first thing that I'm going to do is add a 32-ounce jar of spiced peaches. I like the spiced. You can get regular peaches. That is completely up to you. And I'm going to add them to a 9 by 13 baking dish. All right, I am going to take the peaches and I'm going to cut them into slices. You do want to keep the juice. All right, next to a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add the ingredients to make the cake batter. And it is 2 cups of self-rising flour. That's very important. You want to make sure you use self-rising. 1 cup of sugar. And 2 cups of milk. All right, then I'm just going to pour the batter over my peaches. And then I have 3 tablespoons of butter that I have just cut into cubes, and I'm just going to sprinkle it over top. All right, then you'll want to bake in a 350-degree oven for about an hour. All right, so it is now my favorite time. It is time to eat, but come check out this cobbler. Oh my goodness. So I added a little bit of whipped cream to the top, but obviously you could put some vanilla ice cream, would be delicious. This recipe never disappoints. And you can use any fruit you like. Blackberry is really good. All right. I hope that you give this peach cobbler a try. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.